Hello everyone, this is Triumph Trust FX channel and welcome to our weekly review and forex analysis. If you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime we upload a new video. And for my regular viewers, I really commend you guys. Thanks so much for your support so far. Right, so today we are going to be looking at the review for the week that just ended and the analysis for next week starting from 7th to 11th of March 2022. Remember, this analysis is not a general forex analysis. It is based on the strategy we trade on TTFX. Right, so we have a free channel, a free Telegram group rather. You feel free to join the group. The link to the group is on the description of this video below. There you can also contact me for anything. We also run a mentorship group in case you want to join the mentorship group, where you can catch all the trades and setup. You can feel free to contact me as well. If you need indicators for our free training, you can join the Telegram group. Go to the file section of the group and you can access all our indicators. And on this channel we also have other videos, free training videos on forex and volatility indices. Right, so let's get started. So last week we mentioned that on AUDCAD we'll be expecting to get a buy from either this zone or this zone. So this is the 1 hour time frame of the zone, so we're expecting to get a buy from here or from here, depending on if the market gives us a bullish confirmation. Right, so this is what we got. Price came into the zone, broke through the first zone and touched the second zone, and that was how price gradually picked up and moved upward. Then we also had another setup. This setup happened today, which is 4th of March 2022. Right, so on this setup, this AUDJPY on 15 minutes time frame, so we saw this is the 4 hour zone, the supply zone. We saw price hit in the zone and got rejected immediately from the zone. So I decided to take an entry on this area, seeing that price could no longer push up to take at this high, and this was the result of the AUDJPY today, 4th of March 2022. Then we also had a setup. This setup was shared on the mentorship group, CHFJPY M15. So on this one we saw this consolidation and a certain drop, so we're expecting that price will retest and continue downward. We took the entry and it took us out, so this was a loss on the mentorship group. It was not shared on the general Telegram group. Then immediately after that loss, we also had a setup on CHFJPY. CHFJPY, we saw this impulsive move to the upside and price got rejected from here, and we saw this divergence. So we took an entry here and this was the result. Price broke through. This pivot point was our target. Price broke through it too and was able to give us 1 to 2. Then we also explained last week during the weekly review that we'll be expecting a sell on EURUSD if price decide to pull back to this zone or this zone with a bearish confirmation, and price refused to pull back. Rather, price continued to drop till today. Then we also had EURGBP set up during the weekly review last week. We're expecting price to get rejected from here or here, and we were planning to take our entry once we see a bullish confirmation, and this is what happened. Price dropped into the zone and we were able to get some entries, although price didn't get to this target, but price got to this level, and that was where we took our profits. Then we also had a setup on USDCAD. So we can see price was dropping, and at this point we saw this liquidity grab with these two pin. So this was an opportunity for us to get a buy, and this was the result of that setup USDCAD yesterday, 3rd of March 2022. Then we also had a setup on USDCHF. We're expecting that price will pull back to this zone or this for us to take an entry for a buy if we see a bullish confirmation, and this was the result. So we saw this, so we noticed this bullish confirmation. We saw price giving us divergence here, and what happened here was we were ready to take our entry here, and so we took the entry at this point, and price pulled up and pulled downward to this level, and we took another entry here. We were not ready to, we quit this here. So when we took the first entry, let me see the first setup. Yeah, here. So we took an entry somewhere here, and our stop loss was just a bit below this this low, and price dropped down and took us out. So when price hit the second zone, which is another entry target, we took another entry from this point, and that was how we were able to recover our losses and make some profits before the price started moving back and forth. Right, so those were the few trades that we took this week. So this next week, starting from the 7th of March, we have two setup already that we're going to be looking at. If they play that well, we're going to take them. So we're going to be looking at CHFJPY on the 4-hour on the 1-hour time frame. So we see that price was on an uptrend, and we saw price changing direction here, and this impulsive move to the downside. So we're expecting that price will gradually pull back to this zone or this zone, then we'll take a sell with a bearish confirmation. So we're expecting that price will get to this zone, then we'll look for a way to sell if we have a bearish confirmation. Without a bearish confirmation, we're not going to take any entry here. Then we're also looking at AUDNZD. On AUDNZD, the setup is not clear yet, but we are expecting that price will pull up, break this level. If price pull back to this level and break above this level, we'll be waiting for price to pull back to this same level. We can see that there is a demand zone being formed here, and if it gives us a bullish confirmation, then we are ready to take a buy on AUDNZD. So the CHFJPY setup will be posted on the general Telegram group. Then we'll be looking forward to taking this trade if our confirmation comes up. Then while we'll watch out for other setups. So most of the setups will be shared on the mentorship group, and some will be posted on the general Telegram group. Alright, so please watch. After watching this video, don't keep it to yourself. I want you to like this video. That is when it can go to other people. So please like this video, share this video, comment, and thank you so much for your support.